Hello, folks. This is some basic computer security. I do this every Monday, keeping my software up to date. So I have this little thing here that I constructed. You don't have to have it. It's from Cinnamon Software and it's called Talking Alarm Clock. So this thing pops up every Monday and I start off with the Brave browser. Here we go. Get that up here. All right, so log in. Great. Here we go. Fill this in. Log in. All right. So it scans my computer and finds out what software is out of date or has a problem. Mostly, I was looking for this one, but also I can double check against my other software that everything has been done. So let's get this back. Let's open up UCheck. There it is. Now, I actually did this once today, unfortunately, but I didn't run anything. But generally it comes up, looks kind of like this. It's showing pending 2 updates. It looks like it's scanning, but it doesn't. So this is last week. So I do scan to get what's current for my machine. Okay, 5 things are out of date. And if you noticed before, it didn't have anything here or here. Now, I'm not even going to talk about that. I don't use any of that. I'm not looking to install programs or have somebody tell me what I should or shouldn't have installed. But let's look at the pending updates. So here's some apps I have on my computer. CCleaner, out of date, 1 version. So just go like this. Download it. And then I will start the installation. Here it is. Install, yes. Fortunately, it is showing the install dialog on the other screen. So it's done installing or downloading. So now maybe it's doing the install. La 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 la, we're waiting for this to change color. And in the meantime, I'll download the next one. So sorry, the download is done. It's in the install process. All right, here's CCleaner, and here's the install. I'm going to decline this. I use Bitdefender, which I would highly recommend, although I do not recommend their VPN or their password safe. I'm using Bitdefender password safe. Okay, this is done. I'm not going to view anything. I'm going to just close it. Okay, come on. Close now. Close. There we go. Okay, done. Bright green color. Let's go to the next one. Let's install that now. Yes, and let's look at this. This wants me to search or something, but notice how there's this restart as admin choice. All right, here we go. Only for me, who is Keith, supposedly my name is Keith. I don't know if that's true or not, but we're gonna go with that. Run Bitwarden. Oh, so that was a Bitwarden update. Well, I'm not gonna run it. Let's just finish now. These things, when I'm gonna restart as admin to do these ones that say, skip this update, blah, 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 because I didn't know this, but here's what happens. All right, yes. And here it is again. Now I've still got 5 items, so let's just scan again. I don't really have to, but we've done a couple updates, so let's see if they're done. So now it's got 3. So I always go up here. Could I click this? Yes, I could. So now look at what actions are available with me as administrator. Oh, look, update. I can update the software. Before it didn't even give me the option. Here we go, update. Yes. Here we are, preparing to install. Unfortunately, this skips over to my other screen. Perhaps in another year, if I repeat the video for, some up-to-date changes or something, then I will run it on the opposite way. I'll put everything on the other screen and have my recording software on the other monitor. Come on, baby. So I guess we're getting a real-time score. Let's just say, how long is this taking? So far, I've done 2, and I'm up to 6 minutes, including talking and redoing a little bit. This is a bit slow, eh? Yeah. Removing older versions? Sounds good to me. Now, just while we're waiting, oh, I made that hide. Okay, unknown NordVPN. It doesn't really know that software, but this is the software that I use as my VPN. It runs much quicker than the Bitdefender software does, and it has very few problems. Nothing is perfect. We always have computer problems of some kind or another, but this app is very reliable. All right, that's done. And beauty, eh? That was a bit slow, but that's not the fault of this product. That's just how long that takes. CapCut is a video editor. That's the one I use. I use OBS free for doing the videos. And CapCut to do my editing. It's the new and best software at this time, January 2025. Minor update. Oh, where is this happening? Is it happening? Yeah, the update. Yeah, it's not really showing on this screen or my other screen. But hopefully it's doing something. We'll just have to wait. This is a bit slow, but certainly a lot faster than me hunting down the software and updating it myself. And I'll just mention why we're waiting. Bitdefender, the last one on the list, has no option to update. Now, I don't generally touch it because it will update itself, and I know that. So now everything's done. I have finished for the week. Now, this was a small week with 4 updates, but I think it would be common to have 7 for my computer. The more software you have, the more often you'll have something getting updated. Now, we could run our scan again. I mean, we're done. If you want to leave, you've seen everything important. Except maybe, where do you get UCheck software? You get it from Alda's Software. You can just look up UCheck and you should be able to find it. All right, done. One problem, that's it. What is this download thing? Other apps that they kind of have available if you want to use them. That's pretty cool. DVD burners, not that people aren't using DVDs much anymore. Google Drive, different cloud communication. Like I said, that's not related to keeping your computer up to date. If you want to look around at all this stuff, we have a Zoom client. That's nice. So what else can I discuss at this point? Okay, I'll just put a link to Cinnamon Software, talking alarm clock, but let's go to the last item on our list. Windows Task Scheduler. Oops, I did it twice. It's gonna open twice, maybe not. Okay, get this out of the way. Okay, so why did I open this? Because I really don't want this to be running every day. I only want to run it when I want to run it. So let's disable all that. This will prevent me from getting pop-ups for CCleaner. IO bit. This is the software we just used, and I think this is the only spot where I have something I want to turn off. The IO bit stuff I turned off and it hasn't turned itself on because I don't need anything running daily. So that's all I do with Task Scheduler. And I'll try to put links to everything useful in my write-up underneath the video. Okay, I'm just going to cut it off. I think we've done everything necessary. Just close my programs. Let's look here. NordVPN, I don't touch that. All this 7-zip stuff I've looked into. It's part of some other application. This is NVIDIA app. So I'm not going to touch NVIDIA app. NVIDIA app. NVIDIA app. They all seem to say the same number, and they're not located in exactly the same folder. So NVIDIA has used that, I guess, when they're downloading something to me. Otherwise, it doesn't get used. Oh, Node.js. Did we fix that? Didn't pop up as a problem on the other app. Okay, let me open the other app again. UCheck. All right, let's go back to these updates. Installed. We're looking for, I think I did it, but I just forgot. Node.js. So it's up to date. Up to date. What does it say? It says 23.6.1. I have that. So you can look in and installed for any of your apps and look around like that. This is all supposedly on my computer. Wow, look at it all. This is how I keep it up to date, except for Bitdefender, which updates itself, as I mentioned. Okay, so let's get back over here. Foxit. I don't remember anything for Foxit. Let's see what the other app says about Foxit. Alt-Tab brings me back to my previous screen. Okay, Foxit is the easy way to find anything. Foxit, PDF reader. Says it's up to date. And let's see what this one thinks. Foxit. Okay, let me bring the other screen back and try to compare. All right. How are we doing? 276383. Yes, maybe I updated it, and because I was talking, I just forgot. So that's up to date. There's nothing else to worry about. So cool. So the files are not the same number. We can do this. This is 87 and this is 83. But this software is called Foxit PDF Reader Suite Pro, and this one Foxit PDF Reader. But we're going to do this download anyways. PDF Editor 13. We're looking for PDF Reader. Interesting, it went to the wrong page. Here's PDF Reader. Do we see the number? PDF Reader add-ons. I don't know where the Pro version happens to be. Let's download this guy. Can't tell from looking at it what version it is. Let's save it. Okay. It's done. So let's try to see it in the folder. I don't want to just run it. There we go. There's the folder. Pull this over. It's telling us that it's 20244. Oh, let's see. Is it giving us the version? It says 27683. So I think we can check that. 27683. So this is the latest version, and the other one was misleading me. So good. All up to date. Thanks very much for watching. Please check subscribe, and I'll have more simple videos like this to help a relaxed person at home do a little bit of updates on their own. Okay, bye for now.